Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
SendFlow review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called SendFlow. So this is the SendFlow review, and right now we are on the sales page and there's no demo video for the software and the login is not working. So I'm clicking on login, nothing is happening. Okay, so starting with the sales page, it says here send unlimited messages directly to the phones of 2 billion plus people at a low one-time price. Brand new email killer WhatsApp autoresponder lets you blast any link to millions of people within minutes. Say goodbye to email marketing, having to build a list or pay for SMTP and autoresponders and all these things which you can read here. Now I will not waste my time and breath on this because this SendFlow is only a replica of this software called ProfitContact. Okay, so if I come here into their JV information, here it says the product is launching on 25th of March 2023. Here it says it's launching on 21st of March, and here it shows the contest is on 21st of March. So I'm assuming that this product is launching on 21st of March 2023. Okay, and then here if you come down, it shows you what does it show you? It shows you anything about ProfitContact. I saw somewhere it was saying ProfitContact, I guess. Anyways, doesn't really matter. So if I come on the JV page here, where? All right. So there are two OTOs. So, the way this works is that if you go and buy the reseller OTO from here, so if they have this one, maybe reseller, I guess, okay, or maybe the white label. So you buy one of these OTOs and then you can rebrand the same software and sell this with a new name. So if I click on the sales page of ProfitContact, so take a look at the sales page of this ProfitContact here and the sales page of SendFlow here. Okay, so only this line is changed. In SendFlow they say send unlimited messages, and in ProfitContact the same thing here. Again, nothing has changed, only the color has changed. Okay, so in ProfitContact it says the same thing, send your messages to 2 billion phone numbers, blah blah blah, brand new email killer. And then here the same thing, SendFlow brand, and the same sales script. Okay, so technically you are being sold ProfitContact with the name SendFlow because the people who are after this SendFlow, they have purchased the copy of this ProfitContact. So technically for me there's no need to do the review. Okay, and will this make money to you or not? The answer is pretty simple. No, this will not make you money. You will not be able to reach to anybody. It's all garbage. Okay, if I go to my YouTube channel, let's say you come here and click on the channel name and open it in a new tab, then go to videos. Here search for that ProfitContact. So you go into this thingy search bar and just type in ProfitContact so that you can see my earlier review. So this was a year ago. This was launched 1 year ago. So ProfitContact review. If you want to know more about SendFlow, which is the replica of ProfitContact, come on my channel, search for this ProfitContact review and watch this video to understand should you go and buy this or not. If you verbally want me to tell you, then don't buy. Okay, and yeah, so don't buy. This will make you think their software doesn't work as of now. It is supposed to be launching tomorrow, and the login details which they have shared doesn't work. They don't have any demo video in public, and the sales page is the same as ProfitContact. So all these are fake testimonials, by the way, fake testimonials, fake reviews, and everything is copy paste from ProfitContact. Okay, so let's not waste some time here. This thing will not make any single penny and you will be just doomed. If you buy this, you will only lose your 20-30 bucks. Nothing else is gonna happen. Do they have OTOs? Of course they do here. Let me see. Well, by the way, it's heavily raining in the background. So $17 after using the coupon code, you can get this in 15 bucks, and then you can buy 2 OTOs to lose some more money. Okay, don't buy this. That's the bottom line. If you want to make money online, stop buying shit from this website called Varia Plus. Come out of your madness. And if you want to make money online, then go below my YouTube video right now. In the description here we have a couple of links. Before that, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, do that. Okay, Now we'll talk about how do you make real money, because the only reason I make these videos so that I can come and tell you or inform you about the real methods which will make you real money. Okay, that's the only reason I come. Otherwise, there's no point for me to come here. So first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like currency trading. You buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. Okay. And at the bottom, I have this setup. This is my virtual machine on which I have the currency pairs, the graph, and the software. So technically what happens is we use a software, and that software does the trading on our behalf automatically, and we just keep making profits. Okay, so you need to click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, then click on allow the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there to understand what are you going to get into. The syndicate is on profit sharing basis, which means that you do not have to do anything. I will be completely setting up all this for you, the graph, the software, and everything, and you will be keeping 70% profits for doing nothing, and I will be keeping 30% profits weekly. Okay, so if you want to know exactly what I'm talking about, you have to enter your information, then go and watch those 2 videos which I'm talking about, and then if you need any help or you have any questions, you can contact me on Skype here. Okay, but do watch these videos. If you want to make money on autopilot, option 1 is right here. If you want to do exactly what I do, then go and check out this make money with Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube for free for the rest of your life. And you can make money on YouTube in many ways. For example, you can make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video which you're watching, you must have seen some ads, the advertisements. So whether you buy something from me or not, this video has made some money for me already, because my YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, so in order to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which you will get with the help of Traffic Jarvis within 2 weeks only, right? And then you can do these reviews, do affiliate marketing, grow your list, stuff like that. So in case you want to do exactly what I'm doing right now, go get Traffic Jarvis. The difference between the number 1 method and the number 2 method is that number 1 forex trading method is completely on autopilot, in which you don't have to do anything at all, and you can keep your 70% profits. In Traffic Jarvis, you will have to make YouTube videos and work manually just like me. Okay, so this SendFlow is a piece of shit. It's a replica of ProfitContact. Don't buy anything from Varia Plus. It will not help you with anything. It will only help you to lose money. Nothing is working here. Let's close this page and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. It's all free. Check out these links if you want to make real money. In the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.